Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious cucumber juice. It's great for detox, it's great for your blood pressure, it's also amazing for bloating. So if you're like me, honey, over the holiday weekend, I was doing the entire most, you guys. I was drinking, I wasn't eating properly, and literally, I woke up Monday morning, which, yesterday, and my foot was swollen, my stomach, I was bloated. I was like, okay, girl, you're doing the most. So you need to get all of this out of your system. And so I decided to make the detox juice, and I'm going to replace breakfast and lunch with the juice. And then I'm going to eat like a salad for dinner with no meat. Just no meat 3 days straight and just detox because I did the absolute most. So I'm using the English cucumber, but you can use the cucumber you prefer. One of my lemons, I am going to put it whole into the blender and blend it. The second one, I'm just going to use the juice at the end. And you just want to peel it. Just be careful. If you're not good with the knife, just don't even bother doing this step because I don't need y'all cutting yourselves, okay? So you want to just go ahead and add it to the blender. Next, I'm going to peel my fresh ginger. Now, usually I don't peel it because it's like, what's the point? But my ginger today is not organic. Usually when I make these drinks, everything is usually organic, but they didn't have any today. And so in my preference, I prefer to peel fruits and vegetables that are not organic, just my preference. Also, I have a lot of allergies, you guys. So I don't even want to know what would happen if I slipped up and ate something that has something I'm allergic to or whatever they spray on the fruits and vegetables. So I tried to do it that way. So it's just a preference. I'm not telling you what to do. So anyway, now I'm just going to blend everything up just like this. Just blend it. I'm using the puree option. And then you're just going to strain it. So easy and simple, you can't mess it up. You're going to strain it just like I'm doing here. You want to take a spoon or spatula and just push at it to get all the liquid out. And then I'll show you guys what I do next. All right, so now the second lemon, I'm just going to juice it. Now, someone's probably going to ask, now, girl, why didn't you just put both of them? I just feel like you get more out of it if you blend the lemon, and I didn't want to blend both. It's just, y'all just do what I say. Please, okay? It's just what I prefer. So now I'm just going to put it in my mason jar. It's now in the morning time and breakfast time. So I'm going to drink this entire jar, mason jar. It holds about 32 ounces with ice. So I put some lemon slices and some cucumber slices and I fill it up, add my little straw, and that's it. And again, if you're a newcomer, I do have braces. I'm going to keep mentioning it in the videos because I know it's annoying. It annoys me when I listen back to my videos. So I have braces, you guys. And the closer I get to the end, the more of a lisp I have. So please forgive me. Anyway, give this drink a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. It did help me. My bloating went away the second day, which is today. So it worked. So I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.